Define three-point function generation. We know that Freudenstein's equation is an expression that defines the displacement of a mechanism, which can be expressed as where. Now for the application of the Freudenstein's equation, there has to be predefined points over which the mechanism is desired to pass. Such points are known as precision points. For generation of simple function, 3 precision points are selected. Such a method of defining 3 precision points in order to mechanism is called as three-point function generation. Thus, three-point function generation is the method of defining 3 precision points for the synthesis of simple mechanism. The related term is